Hi, I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice, and I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intentions for less. Is your closet exploding? How does that make you feel? I have some tips and tricks of ways to show you how to get comfortable in your closet. We feel in disarray if our closets are a mess, being way too overpacked, so you have items falling on the floor, or you have bags of brand new clothing that you haven't yet taken out of the bag, put on a hanger and hung in your closet. Or you can't find that pair of jeans that you want to wear so badly and you're running around your house and rushing and trying to look for them. I always suggest what I call a closet cleanse, and it's really good to do those seasonal. Every season, going through your closet, my magic number is 20 items, and I usually break that down by fives. It's 5 pairs of pants and shorts, depending on your season, of course, 5 tops, 5 sweaters, and pulling those out and asking yourself, when's the last time I wore it? Why didn't I wear it? And then finding a local consignment store to reinvest in yourself with by dropping those items off, making some money out of those items. You'll also find too, when you do that closet cleanse, what it makes you feel like. It sets your pace. It makes things easier in the morning to get up and get ready for work. It makes things, less hectic for yourself. You don't necessarily have to color coordinate, but do your casual sections versus your business, office, day-to-day look, knowing where to find your stuff. It helps you enjoy your day. When you walk into your disastrous mess in your closet, one of the things I would suggest you to do is grab some seasonal clear bins, and usually the ones that roll under your bed are the best idea. Instead of having your sandals out in winter, replace them every time your season changes so you aren't feeling congested with your items. If you find that you travel lots, I always say, put away kind of a resort tote is what I call it. It's a good way to, know where to find your swimsuit wraps and your bathing suits and things like that, again in the winter. I speak about summertime being less bulky in your closet, and sometimes that is easier for you to find certain items. I want you to get a resort tote. I want you to put your most worn items up front. I want you to make your summer less bulky. I want you to get some bins and organize yourself per season. I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice. Remember, it doesn't have to be new to be awesome. I get it though.